What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So eating 300 calorie meals and staying full and satisfied is not easy because it's literally a slice of pizza or 3 tablespoons of Nutella. And we all know how long that keeps you full for. But if you eat the right macros and the right food, you can be full for a very, very long time. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 300 calorie meal ideas you guys can add to your weight loss diet. And not only do these meals keep you full and satisfied, they keep you away from binge eating, which is pretty much the #1 enemy when it comes to losing weight. And obviously these meals are not disgusting, they're absolutely delicious. And you know what? These 4 calorie meal ideas work perfectly in a 1200 calorie meal plan. So if you guys are looking for a 1200 calorie meal plan that's for weight loss, well, these 4 meals work perfectly. And for my subscribers who are looking to gain weight, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about you guys. These meals are so easy to make and they're so easy to build up on that you can very easily get to the 500, 600 calorie mark. Very easily. Alright, let's get into the video. All I ask in return is a like and subscribing if you haven't already. And of course, all calories and macros are exact. Starting off with the first meal is going to be fried eggs. We're going to be starting off with not 1 but 2 whole eggs. 2 whole eggs contain about 12 grams of protein, barely any carbs, and a lot of healthy fats that will actually help you lose some weight. And these fats are essential for your body, so don't get scared. Then we're going to be frying this in half a tablespoon of olive oil. And once we put the eggs inside, we're just going to go ahead and stir it up because we're going to be putting 10 grams of mozzarella cheese on top of that. Mozzarella is a great source of protein and has a little bit of fats, but that's definitely okay because this will help us keep full longer, so this way we don't binge eat throughout the day. We're gonna go ahead and let that cook. After it's finished cooking, we're gonna get 100 grams of cucumbers. Crunchy water, great source of fiber, will help you in keeping full throughout the day. We're also going to be getting 100 grams of tomato. Tomato is like literally half fruit, half vegetable. Amazing fiber as well, a lot of good nutrients, and it's just delicious. I mean, who doesn't like tomatoes, right? After that, we're going to get 1 spar or 30 grams of broccoli, which has a great source of fiber, protein, and it's just very good for you. Broccoli is honestly, in my opinion, a super vegetable. It's so good for you. And it's only 12 calories. Like, come on, that's just all these benefits for 12 calories is absolutely amazing. And broccoli keeps you full for a lot longer. It's just the nature of the vegetable. Fiber is high and a lot of nutrients and minerals in this particular vegetable. Then lastly, we're going to get half a banana. Has 52 calories, 2 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, and 12 grams of carbs. Very good for you, keeps you full for a very long time. Overall, this whole meal is about 298 calories. The total macros you're getting is 19 grams of protein, 24 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fats, and 6 grams of fiber. That is insane. 6 grams of fiber in this one meal. You guys should be full for at least 2.5 to 3 hours. It's absolutely filling and just overall delicious. Moving on to meal number 2, and it's going to be peanut butter with banana. So we're going to be getting 2 whole wheat breads, full of fiber, nutrients, high on protein. It is high on carbs a little bit, but don't worry about the carbs. Carbs is not your enemy when it comes to weight loss. Remember that. And on each bread, we're going to be spreading half a tablespoon of peanut butter, so a total of 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is extremely high on healthy essential fatty acids, very good for your body. It needs it because it's essential. Your body doesn't produce these types of fats. Good source of protein and has a lot of fiber. Peanut butter is one of those things that keeps you full for a very long time. So peanut butter is actually really good for you here. And on top of that, we're going to be getting 3/4 of a banana, chopping that up and putting on top of the whole thing. And honestly, guys, it's absolutely delicious. It's so good, so filling. Like, God, it kept me full for quite some time. The total calories that you're getting here is 310. The total macros you're getting is 14 grams of protein, 41 grams of carbs, 10 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. I get it. It is high on carbs a little bit, but again, carbs is not your enemy when it comes to weight loss or losing weight. If anything, if you guys are working out, use it as a pre-workout, like an hour and a half before. The pump that you get in the gym is absolutely amazing, and the energy that gets stored in your cell, it's phenomenal. You guys should be full for about 2 to 2.5 hours. Now moving on to the third meal, obviously we can't have a calorie meal idea video without any shakes or smoothie. So I welcome you guys a delicious kind of strawberry smoothie. We're going to be getting a cup or 250 milliliters of almond milk, extremely high on protein, a little bit high on fats, and barely any carbs, and barely any calories as well, like 88 calories. That's absolutely not much at all. The amount of protein that you're getting, it's like literally almost 50% of the whole thing is protein. So if you guys are looking to substitute your whey protein or protein powder with something else, almond milk is your best friend. Then we're going to be putting half a cup of ice. And guys, let me tell you something about this. When you guys put ice into your smoothie or shakes, it just keeps you full longer. It makes it honestly more refreshing to drink, obviously, but it also keeps you full longer, and that's because your digestive system needs to create more heat to break down those frozen or cold foods, thus keeping you full longer. So kind of like a life hack, you can say. After that's done, we're going to be putting 150 grams of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Obviously extremely high on protein, not much carbs and not much fats, only like 90 calories here. Bang for your buck. Well, not too sure about bang for your buck because Greek yogurt is expensive, but it's a great deal of protein. After that, we're going to be putting 150 grams of strawberries in there, full of vitamins and minerals. And last but not least, we're going to be putting 3/4 of a tablespoon of peanut butter in there, just for that extra protein and the healthy fats as well. We're going to go ahead and blend that up, and once it's finished blending, we're going to go ahead and pour out in a cup. I do have to mention to you guys that this is about 2 servings because we did put ice in here. It just automatically gives it more volume to the shake. So it is 2 servings here. Total calories here is 302.5. Total macros that you're getting here is 29 grams of protein, 23 grams of carbs, 10.5 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. Honestly, guys, you guys are full for a solid 3 hours. I had this myself. I was full for 2 hours, and I have a fast metabolism. So I'm pretty sure for you guys, it'll be 3 hours or plus. It is refreshing, but I do have to mention the taste on this protein shake is a 6 out of 10. That's my overall opinion. I would put more strawberries in here. I would probably reduce the tablespoon of peanut butter, but I'll definitely increase the strawberries for a better taste. But nonetheless, it's a great weight loss protein shake. All right, leaving the best for last has to be one of my favorite meals of all time, and it's gotta be chicken fajita. So good, so delicious, so tasty. I have this every other day or every other 3 days or something because it's just so good, so appetizing to eat, and it's just so easy to make. So this is how I make my chicken fajita. First off, we're gonna be getting 75 grams of chicken breast. Has a good amount of protein, 23 grams of protein, 3 grams of fats, 119 calories. Guys, don't forget to season. I just have to say this. Don't forget to season. After that, we're gonna be getting 1 whole bell pepper. Now, if you guys wanna make this more of a fajita theme, get all the 3 different colors of bell pepper, which is green, red, and yellow, and just split that into 1 whole bell pepper, and it should look more of a fajita. But I didn't have the different colors, I just had the yellow one, so we're just gonna go with the yellow one. It is a little bit high on carbs, but again, carbs is not your enemy, guys. Don't be scared of carbs when it comes to weight loss, guys. Just don't be afraid of carbs. You guys need to be hitting a certain amount of calories to lose weight, not a certain amount of carbs. So just get that in your mind. Carbs are not your enemy. Extremely high on fiber and barely any calories. I mean, not even 50. After that, we're gonna be getting 50 grams of raw onions. It's just for the taste, and fajita and onions is just super healthy for you guys, so don't avoid it. And hey guys, onions become clutch in flu season, so something to consider. And we're gonna go ahead and fry this in 3/4 tablespoon of olive oil. So first we're gonna go ahead and put the bell peppers in and then the raw onions and let it cook for maybe a good 2 or 3 minutes. After the 2 to 3 minutes have passed, we're gonna go ahead and put our chicken breast in there, obviously diced up and sliced. The smaller the better, so it can cook a lot faster. Usually when we make any fajita, we let the vegetable cook a bit longer and then put the meat inside, but that's because the meat is already pre-cooked. In this situation, in this meal, it is not pre-cooked. Especially when it comes to chicken, we do not want to eat it raw because it can make us very, very sick. You want to make that chicken breast cooked very well and nicely, so you might as well let it cook with the vegetables. And at the end, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle 10 grams of mozzarella cheese on it. And just put the lid on and just let it cook. After it's finished cooking, guys, you guys can go ahead and eat it with the pan or just put it in a plate, but you guys can literally just eat it right off the pan. And the total calories that this meal has is 311. And the total macros that you're getting here is 29 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. And you guys should be full for a good 2 to 3 hours. It's so delicious, it's so good, and one of my favorite meals to have every now and then. And there you have it, 300 calorie meal plans for weight loss. These meals take literally less than 10 minutes to make and could keep you full up to 3 hours. Isn't that a sweet deal? If you guys are this far in the video, that means you guys must have enjoyed this video. And if you guys did, smash that like button because I think I deserve it. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, check out this 200 calorie meal idea videos. You guys will definitely enjoy this video because it has more weight loss meal ideas here. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.